In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make video transparent in CapCut. We're going to take one clip, place it over another, and dial in just the right amount of see-through so both layers work together cleanly. This is perfect for picture-in-picture looks, subtle overlays, or adding texture and motion on top of your main footage. Start by opening CapCut and creating or opening a project. Give the timeline a second to load, and make sure you're in a 16:9 canvas if you're editing for standard horizontal video. If your project is already set, you're good to go. Next, add your base video. This is the background clip that will remain fully visible. Import it into the main timeline and scrub through to confirm it plays smoothly. If needed, trim the start and end points now so the pacing feels right. Doing this early helps keep everything aligned later. Now bring in the video you want to make transparent. Add it as a new layer above the base clip. On desktop, drag it to the track above. On mobile, add it as an overlay so it sits on top. Resize or reposition it to fit your composition. If it's a different aspect ratio, fill the frame or keep the original look, depending on the style you're going for. Remember, the clip on top is the one we'll make see-through. Select that top clip, then open the blend controls. You'll find blend in the toolbar on mobile or in the editing panel on desktop. If you don't see it, double-check that the top clip is highlighted. Blend only appears when the overlay clip is selected. Reduce the opacity using the slider inside the blend settings. Opacity controls how solid the top layer looks. 100% is fully opaque, and lower values introduce transparency. A good starting point is around 40 to 60%. But feel free to nudge it up or down until both clips feel balanced. Play your timeline to preview and adjust. Small changes can make a big difference. If the overlay has audio and it's distracting, consider lowering its volume so your base video remains the focus. Also, trimming the overlay to match the base clip's length helps avoid abrupt ends or stray frames. When everything looks cohesive, give it one more playback to confirm there's no flicker, awkward edges, or unwanted color clash. If needed, fine-tune the opacity again for a seamless blend. That's it. Your overlay is now transparent and layered neatly over your main video in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!